Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial video. On this video we're going to be going over our Autopost tool with Facebook. So first, once you're over here on the Autopost tool, you gotta go to Account Manager to connect your account. You're going to go to Add New Account, and over here is where you can link your Facebook account. You just gotta click with Log in with Facebook, and you can select what pages do you want to use with Autopost tool. I'm just going to choose this tutorial test that I just created. Click on Done. And now we linked our Autopost tool to Facebook. I'm going to click OK. Go back to Autopost. And over here, we're going to click on Add New Page. Our tutorials test is going to show. We can just link it like that. It will link instantly. And once you link it, you can start scheduling your posts. So we're going to click on Schedule. And today is the 26th over here. You guys can see the little red circle over here. And we're going to schedule a post for today, basically right now, in like 2 minutes. So we're going to click on it. Once you click on it, this screen is going to show up. Over here, you can name it. So I'm just going to put testing. You can choose the account that you're on if you have multiple accounts connected, and the time that you want your Autopost to be published. I'm just going to choose 45 because it's 44 right now. And last, we can choose the text. You can also upload an image. I'm just going to do so. I'm going to upload the Builderall logo. And we're going to add our rule. So at 11:45, my post will be posted. I believe it's already 11:45. We can go to home and check it. And here you go, guys. We have our post over here saying just now. It was just posted. Hello, this is a test with our picture and everything. We can boost our post. We can like it. We can do all kinds of things. Let's just go back to our Autopost tool. And over here is where you can also schedule for different days. For example, if I want to schedule for the 30th, I can schedule that with the time, with the post text and the image and all of that. And we can also delete it by selecting it and deleting it. You can click OK and your Autopost will be deleted. Next up, we can go back to Accounts. And over here is where you guys can unlink your page also. But this is basically how you guys set up your Autoposts and post on Facebook. This is going to be it for the video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.